this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I decided that I was going to film in a different location today. I needed some sun, and so I'm stationed in my living room. If you hear any dog growling or barking in the background, my dog is literally right here looking out for the Amazon Prime man. So I will try to make it as least distracting as possible, but I had to share this with you. Guys, look, it's an unboxing, and when I flip it over, distracted by diamonds. And look at this, so cute, this extra touch. It says groovy at the top. Now, Distracted by Diamonds is on Etsy. It is powered by Robyn, who's also Paddywaxx. Paddywaxx's mama. And I stalked her site because she posts a couple every day. I stalked her site for 4 days. I refreshed while I was working I would say every half hour or so. And so I'm super, super excited. Then when it was shipped, it wasn't Robyn's fault, but I don't think the post office scanned it at the place where it left. And so I was panicking because it was quite some time due to the shipping delay and the fact that they hadn't scanned it. It didn't show me where my baby was. So as you can see, it is shipped from the United States. Hello, baby, are you smelling it? And it is shrink wrapped, and it's in this beautiful box. Diamond painting, DIY. And it says the package includes a high definition painting canvas, stone diamond tray, drill pen, and painting mud. Has instructions on the back for those who are new to diamond painting. Now I will have Robyn's link down below. However, please make sure you read her Etsy instructions and post, because she does talk about when she releases it, how she handles her this new endeavor that she has started. It looks like she's kind of tiptoeing into it. That's my take on it. I haven't really talked to her about it, but we will see. So it was protected from the elements, and when I open it, don't know if you can see in there, and here we go. So we've got a little toolkit, which it says it comes with. We've got the canvas, and we've got the drills. Okay, so let's first look at the toolkit. So the toolkit is really cute. Right here, it looks like she put some extra goodies in here. So you've got your single placer pen. Okay, Zoe, my doggie, no, you're not diamond painting. Forgive me. This is the cost of wanting some sun in my life instead of my craft room, which is in the basement. We've got some Paddywaxx, and she has it labeled super cute. It says super sticky, and it's a little froggy. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then, so instead of your normal wax, she's sending these cute little things. How fun is that? Then she sends, it's a little ducky, and it's blue cotton candy. She has it listed on the back. So cute. Beautiful. And then she's got some baggies here. You've got, no, go lay down. No, you don't get my wax. See, it probably smells really good to the dog. Lay down. So you've got a normal green tray with the boat. You've got a multi-placer. And then she's included like a sticker. How fun is that? So that's a woman in a beautiful dress. And then in case you need it, she does have a normal piece of wax in there. And then this is cute. What is this? Oh, this is Distracted by Diamonds. It has her logo on it. Oh, super cute, Robyn. I love Robyn. She's got all these special touches. So this is a keychain. And look, it's a measuring tape. So if you want to measure. Okay, so that's the toolkit. We're going to put it back in its mama bag because my dog is going crazy, as you can probably tell. And my husband's being a trooper and helping me handle the dog. I thought, you know, low-key, she was chewing on her bone. But I guess hearing Mama talk, it's like, oh, I'm awake. I'm going to go do some stuff. It's getting real, people. I'm also like right at her level as well. Okay, so I know I'm waiting to show you what I got. So these are round drills. And on the front, on the front it has like the order number so you know what they go to. And then they're set up already in your bags. Okay, they're not in numeral order, which is fine with me because they never end up that way anyway. But look at these rich colors. Oh my gosh, and they're the really nice bags. So you've got 777, that's like this beautiful burgundy red. So here's some grays. Here, let's show it on the back of the canvas before I show you what the canvas is. Keeping you in suspense, people. So you've got these beautiful colors, this peach. Oh my gosh, these colors are so vibrant. So beautiful. So I will be doing inventory after the fact, and then I will keep you posted. But I just want to show you how beautiful these colors are. And I see this drill is trying to escape from its little baggie. Sometimes this happens, and so you just let it get back in there. Whoop, and seal it back up. Okay, and that's kind of an insider tip too, is when you get something in baggies, don't go crazy with them, because sometimes, you know, just human error, they don't get sealed at the top. And so if you start to like throw your drills around, then if it's not sealed closed, like this little guy right here, I mean, it's sealed, but it's got some extras at the top. So if I were to like throw that around, those drills are gonna go everywhere. I mean, the two drills that were hanging out. Okay, so let's see, here's some more. The colors just keep coming. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that, 38.65. And then we've got, look at that, 25.69 grams of 310. But all these other colors are gonna make it so worth it. I'm telling you. What do you think of that color palette? I mean, look at that. The reds and there's some really deep purples. 154 I love. 3041 I love. It's just amazing. So I'm not gonna be able to put these back as nice, but we're gonna put them back so that we can check out this canvas. Because, you know, I am dying to see it. Dying to see it. Okay, so I'm gonna make that all pretty after I'm off camera because I've gotta do inventory anyway. Make sure you do inventory, even if it's from a trusted source. Not because they don't know what they're doing, but because sometimes things happen, right? So the first thing I see here is it's already flattening on its own. You see no puckers whatsoever. It does have the serge around the edge. And are you guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Look at her. Is she not adorable? I'm so super excited. So this does have 34 colors, and it has Distracted by Diamonds at the top with her logo. It's got your schematic up here, and the model number, the size. This is 40 by 57. And we're gonna use our brand new little guy to see, is it really 40? Okay, so it is 39. Okay, so they always say give it within a centimeter. So it's 39 by 56 instead of 57. So it's right on par with standards, because it's okay. They do say, you know, give us based on how they have to measure, like design, I don't know, like crop it or put it on the canvas. So, but as you can see here, it is poured glue. Okay, so you've got the clear top. Right here, you've got the 2 different keys. Now, the one thing is as you can see, it doesn't come with an inventory sheet at all, so I will be making a copy of one of these because I do like to put the symbols. I've tried to work out of the baggies before, but because of how I drill to help speed up my process, I will probably transfer them into a Harbor Freight container system, which that means I will use the sticker method instead of just using the bags. So I understand they didn't send an inventory sheet because it's already kitted up in the bags. That's my theory. But I prefer to actually put them in. So as you can see, this is already flattening. This feels similar to the canvas that Dreamer Designs uses. I'll have to have a comparison next to next, but it's gorgeous. So I'm going to show you, see if I can get around here. I'll show you up close the symbols. Okay, my dog is going crazy. All right, so let's do her hat. So as you can see there, the symbols are super clear. It is round. I love companies that use the color to give you guidance, see, instead of an actual black circle. And that way you don't have all those black outlines. And as you can see here in the white area, it's very faint, but there is a little bit of a guide. Here's your list of symbols. If you want to look at them, most of them, it looks like, are letters and very clear symbols. So yeah, I am so excited, guys. I can't believe how cute is she. She is adorable. I can't wait to do her. Thank you so much, Robyn. And definitely keep a lookout for future whips that feature this person, this little girl. I need to name her. Also, a post review to see how much I actually love doing it. So.